In this video, we are going to see how to create pipes or wires in Maya without using the usual way where you have to create a curve and extrude along the curve. But in this video, there is a very easy way where you can use a new tool which they have launched in Maya 2022. By using that tool, you can create any type of pipes or wires very easily. Let's get started. Now we are going to create some curves by going to create here and click on curve tools and go to the pencil curve. Or you can use any other curve, but I'm using this for this purpose. Let's just go to the top view by hitting space and getting over here and create some curves like that. Now we have around a lot of curves, and the usual way we have to create a a face or another curve and extrude along it, which is very time consuming. And in this new version, there's a new way to do this by using a tool that is present here called the sweep mesh, which is present here. Just click on the sweep mesh and you'll get the pipes correct. Now you can see that there's a node created in the attribute editor here, and go to the sweep mesh creator and it's set to poly. You can always decrease or increase the scale profile, so you can always change it, but please do not go to edit and delete the type history here. So before that, you can always go and create the scale profile and change a lot of things. And the best way here is to go for the poly if you're going for some wires, and you can see a lot of tapering here. And you can also create the tapering by hitting the tapering node. Now you can see when you hit the tapering node, it will just decrease the circumference of the curve on the end part a little bit. You can toggle a lot of effects in this. You can always twist. We'll just get to the wireframe mode here, and now you can see you can twist this a lot, so to create a lot of effects that you need for your modeling. Now you can see there's a taper curve, and you can always change this value also on how hard you have to taper. Now if you want to bend this or do a lot more other work, you can go to here and click on by increasing the precision, which will create a lot of subdivisions, which is totally not needed. As you can see, the number of words is too much. Now you can just hit on optimize, and now you can see it just places the subdivisions wherever it is needed. I mean, wherever the curve is a lot, it will place the subdivisions over there, and the rest of the path won't be used a lot of subdivisions. So now you can see this is set to precision, and you can set to start to end and increase it yourself, or you can go to EP and increase it yourselves. This depends on you and what you have to do, and you can always decrease the optimize if something happens, or you just have to toggle this on and increase the steps in a manual way. Totally depends upon you. So that is what this total sweep mesh is about, by creating pipes or wires in a very easy way. Now you can see when you just go to the subdivided mode, it is pretty smooth and the curve is pretty good. So that is how you have to create. And there's one more thing that I didn't tell about, is you can create rectangles. This is where the twist is pretty useful. You can twist the rectangle. I mean, it looks like a very good iron bars or something like that. And you can go to the line to create a line which is like a plane, and an arc which will create an arc that is half a wire or half a pipe, something like that. You can also create waves using this, or also you can go and create your own custom object by creating a polygon yourselves. So this is the main thing about the sweep mesh, which is very useful tool that they brought in Autodesk Maya 2022. I hope you liked this video. Give a thumbs up and share this video, and I'll post more contents like this. Thanks for watching.